Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter. The subtopic here is Mummy, Mystery, Baffles, Expert. So this is the main headline. Okay. So who is mentioned in the headline? Mummy, Mystery, Baffles, Expert. So we are going to see this only. So this is the image of the Mummy, Mystery, Baffles, Expert. Mystery means crime or some puzzling games. Why, what, when, how this happened. So this is a mystery. So we have to find out the mystery and how many years this took for them to solve. So this took 132 years for the expert to solve the mystery behind the screaming mummy. Okay. So let's see the description of this. So first I am going to read this Mummy, Mystery, Baffles, Expert. So this is the headline. Okay. The headline is Mummy, Mystery, Baffles, Expert, and this was written on the date June 7, 1903. Okay. And the name of the reporter is J. Robert Stan. Last week, archaeologists working in the Valley of the King in Egypt announced they had uncovered two mummies. They have uncovered two mummies. One of the mummies was found in a coffin while the other was laying on the ground. According to archaeologists, the simple tomb indicates that the mummies were not particularly important people, but other clues suggest that they were. So this is the main heading, that is the first paragraph of the headline. Second is, firstly, the mummies were found in the royal burial area. Secondly, the mummy that was on the ground was placed in the position used to show royalty with the left arm crossed over the chest and the fist clenched. Scientists are puzzled about who it could be. Some believe that she was a servant, while others have a theory that it is the body of Queen Hatshepsut, a powerful pharaoh who ruled about 3,500 years ago. Professor Abel, leader of the excavation, says we will continue working in the area until we find clues that will help us solve this mystery. So this was a mystery for the experts to solve. Okay. So what is there in this paragraph? That last week archaeologists who were working in the Valley of the King in Egypt, they announced that we found two uncovered mummies. Right. So mostly mummies are the people where the important people died and they were mummified. But now here they believe that one of the mummies was found in a coffin. Okay, coffin is nothing but a long narrow box, typically of wood, and in which the dead body is buried. So this is the coffin. While the other body was laying on the ground, while the other mummy was laying on the ground. According to the archaeologists, they were very confused. Now, who this mummy can be? Whether this is the important people or a normal people. So, they considered that a simple tomb indicates that the mummies were not particularly important people. Tomb means a simple box. Okay. Where the mummies were kept in a simple box, these people were not considered as the important people. But the other clue suggests that they were. So what was the first thing? The mummies were found in the royal burial area. Burial area means the ceremony of the body where it is buried. You can say funeral. Okay, the place of the funeral. Secondly, the mummy that was on the ground was placed in the position which was used to show the royalty. And what was the important thing was that the left arm was crossed over the chest. So, when they used to cover the body of the important people, the left arm were crossed over the chest and the fist clenched. Clench means to hold fast or tightly. So So the scientists were very puzzled about this, how it could be. Some believe that one body will be servant, but the other believes that no, this can also be the body of Queen Hatshepsut. Why? Because she was the queen. She was the first noble woman who used to rule in ancient Egypt, and she used to rule about 3,500 years ago. And some used to believe that because she has been died at the same time because of some inflammatory disease. So the servants used to believe that this mummy will be this body will be of Queen Hatshepsut. Okay, she was the first noble woman, a very important people. So the conclusion is that now the professor is saying that Professor Abel, the leader of the excavation phase. Excavation means the person who digging the ground, cutting or scooping the ground. So he is saying that we will continue working in the area until we find some clues that will help us solve this mystery. So this was the end of this mummy mystery baffles expert. And what happened? So this took them over 132 years to solve the mystery behind the screaming mummy. And at the end they got that whose body is this. So this was the body of the Queen Hatshepsut, who recently died because of the inflammatory disease. Okay. So this was a very big mystery for the experts, and this body was then currently displayed on the Cairo's Egyptian Museum, and this body was displayed in the Egyptian Museum. So this was the body of the queen, important people. That's why her body was displayed on the museum. Valley of the Kings means a valley where many pharaohs and important nobles were buried. Right? The archaeologists were working in that area. So at that time they found the bodies, 2 mummies. Okay. So this is the mummy mystery baffles expert. Thank you.